Good day, Grace fam. I must say, the blessing looks good on you. I know, I couldn't help myself. I had to do it. No, listen, the wise man Solomon said, trust in the Lord with all thine heart and lean not unto thine own understanding. In all thy ways acknowledge him, and he shall direct thy path. That's Proverbs chapter number 3, verses 5 and 6. This is day 13 of the 52-day challenge in the Nehemiah project. Testimonies are coming in on how this project is inspiring different things. Let me quickly remind you to review your commitment card daily, utilize your declaration list, and get your prayer and reading time in. If you're missing any of the information, all you have to do is email your request to contact@mygwcc.org. As we're one day from completing the second week, I'm looking for you to add your name to the volunteer list so that we can have overwhelming success at the completion of this project and then establish a standard of excellence in the house. Well, in the book, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey, habit number 2 says, begin with the end in mind. Nehemiah established an action plan based upon the end goal and image that he had in his mind. This allowed him to correct and change things along the way, or better yet, align things based upon the plan of God. Isaiah 46, verses 9 and 10 in the New International Version, God says, remember the former things, those of long ago. He says, I am God, and there is none other. He says, I'm God, and there is none like me. Now listen to this. I make known the end from the beginning, from ancient times, what is still to come. I say, my purpose will stand, and I will do all that I please. Now listen, I want to encourage you to focus on the destination, focus on the end goal, the completion of the portrait, if you will, because what it will do is it will govern your daily activities. Finish your reading today and get ready to go deeper tomorrow as you start from the beginning again. You're going to see how good it really, really is. Well, I got to go, everybody. But listen, I want you to be encouraged in the Lord and keep the faith. God bless you, and may grace be unto you.